Hey, remember that pumpkin puree recipe I posted? I'll link it here, don't worry. Well, today we're going to use it to make the best pumpkin bread. It's so good. Now, you can use canned pumpkin, but it's not going to be quite as good as the fresh, so I do recommend the fresh pumpkin. But if you can't do the fresh pumpkin, the canned pumpkin will be fine. Anyway, let's get into it. To make this recipe, you will need 1 2/3 cups of flour, 1 1/2 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves, 2 eggs, 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 1/2 cup of oil, and 1/2 cup of water. You will also need a loaf pan that you're going to want to line with some parchment paper. Start with adding your wet ingredients. You're going to add your pumpkin, your oil, your water, and your eggs. Then you're going to add your sugar and give it a little mix. Now it's time to add your spices. You're going to add your cloves, your nutmeg, your baking powder, your salt, your ground cinnamon, your baking soda, and then mix it all up. Now it's time to add your 1 2/3 cups of flour and mix it up. This is going to make a really wet batter. It's going to feel like almost like soup, but you're doing it right, I promise. It's going to make a really yummy pumpkin bread. Go ahead and add your batter to the pan. Be careful because it actually could splash. It'll be so watery. Then off to the oven it goes. Bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 65 to 70 minutes, or until you can put a toothpick all the way in and take it all the way out and it comes out clean. And there you have it, the best pumpkin bread. Let me know what you think of this recipe in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Please subscribe, it's free, and I will see you next time.